Jet's R12 series spray guns are engineered to work as hard as you do. Rated for a 12-hour workday, the R12 series delivers on that promise. Industry-leading, high-volume, low-pressure technology is critical for efficient material transfer. Balanced and ergonomic chrome-plated body cleans easily. Easy to regulate 180-degree adjustable controls. With comprehensive spray pattern testing. Stainless steel fluid tips and needles, with additional nozzle kits available for expanded spraying applications. Backed by a lifetime warranty, you can trust Jet Air Tools to tackle any challenge. Jet Air Tools, engineered for overtime.